again, it was a real honor for me to go to Turkey to meet with Mr. Oktar and to meet with folks at ASEAN. I not only to with everybody at the and meet them, but also we got to socialize together and meals together, and so it was really great to get to Turkey and the fall with A9 and very well. My views on Islam as an American Christian are can be influenced by the media in this country and how Islam's been portrayed in recent years, but I come from a little different perspective in that I lived in Africa for 12 years in the northern part of Nigeria, and it's an area that is predominantly Muslim. So I have a lot of Muslim friends and a lot of interaction with Muslims, since I was a child. So I probably have a little different perspective than many Americans do about Islam. But it was for me to see what's going on in Turkey, effort to reject where it's being radicalized, and the influence that Turkey has in the big picture as far as being, one country that probably has the ability to influence the future of Islam than perhaps anyone else in the Middle East. That was the thing that I learned in the process of my trip to Turkey.